Hello, time for another unboxing video. As you can probably tell from the thumbnail, we have a Gibson today. Recently a friend of mine decided he wanted to start playing guitar, so I'm going to loan him this fine Epiphone. And while that's away, of course we had to replace it with something, right? So, let's unbox the Gibson. This came today from FedEx. Actually, I had to go pick it up because I had a signature on it and I wasn't home. So, it's here now. Let's see what we got. Bubble wrap, of course. More bubble wrap. Oh, wow. In the pictures on Sweetwater, it said the case was black, but the case is not black. It is brown. Wow. Well, that's kind of cool, actually. I prefer the brown case. So, there it is. There's the case. It's kind of a bonus, actually. At least to me it is. Alright, let's open this baby up. Lock back here. Alright. Nice red interior. A Sweetwater inspection. A little bit of foam. Oh man, this has that Gibson new guitar smell. It smells very vanilla-y. Huh. Kind of cool. Okay. This time we got a Gibson standard Les Paul 60s faded version. Probably has some decent flame there. Alright, here's a little close-up. Okay, let's throw this on the bench, get a little close-up of the front and the back and the case, and then we'll do a little playing demo. Oh, you gotta check out the extra goodies we got with the case here. Let's see what came in here. Alright, we got a nice leather strap compared to the fabric straps of the other Gibsons. Switch tip for the toggle switch. Oh, spare. Oh, it looks like just a blank truss rod cover. Gibson baggie. Let's see. Owner's manual. Polishing cloth. Oh, no, there's the key. And the multi-tool. That's the first time I've got one of those. And what else is in here? Real quick. Pre-packed checklist from Gibson and warranty. And of course the baby photo. Alright. Be right back with... Okay. Let's do this all over again. Hello again. The guitar that was in the video you were just watching, I had to return it. Had a defect on the front of the top. So, went back to Sweetwater, played 4 more guitars, and brought home what I thought the best one was. After I played it, I didn't like it, took it back, and got this one after trying 2 more. So, I get home with this one, and learn that one of the nut slots on the D string was cut too low, and it was fretting out. I'll show you the nut here in a second. So I took it back, they repaired it, now it's all good. Let's take a look at it. Okay, open this up. here it is. The 60s Faded Standard. Once again, this one weighs 9 pounds 3 ounces. Let's take here's a little closer look at it. Okay, it's a little bit more flamey than the other one. Nice wood grain too. 9.3 ounces. Okay, I'm going to set this down, show you something inside the case that we got that we didn't get in the other one. This one actually came with a pick guard, and I'm probably not going to use it because I like the guitar the way it is. So I've got a pick guard for whenever I need one. Here's the nut that was cut too low. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not, but right here on the D string, it's cut way too low, so they had to replace that. Okay, let's take a close-up look at the guitar. Be right back. Okay, here's the top. This is Vintage Cherry Sunburst is the color. It's got 60s burst buckers for pickups. Almost looks like an ebony neck, but it's actually rosewood, just really dark. Here's your headstock. Grover tuners. Okay, let's take a look at the back. And here's the back. Mahogany back, mahogany neck. Made in USA. Okay, let's get to the playing demo. See you in a little bit. Alright, start off with a little bit of clean. Okay, that's the sights and sounds of the Gibson Les Paul Standard 60s Faded. That took me 3 trips and 1,200 miles to acquire. Had to play 7 guitars to find the right one, but that was worth it. A couple things I didn't mention before. The neck, it's a slim taper 60s neck, but it's really not that thin. I guess I'm kind of used to playing this Epiphone in the background for, well, 30 some years. So it's kind of like that, but a little bit bigger. It feels a little bit bigger. Maybe the shoulders are wider. Also, the bridge pickup, when we were doing the demo, I had to roll back the tone to 8 because it's so bright, but it's so clear. It's such a good pickup. And that's really about it. Before we wrap this up, this goes out to Neil and Albert. Elvis says, "Hey guys, like and subscribe." Okay, we'll probably have some more videos coming out soon, because when I bought the Gibson from Sweetwater, I also got $400 to spend in the store. So we picked up another guitar, and we're going to review that one next. I wonder what it is.